Something big is taking shape at Spotify Camp Nou, and the latest developments are impossible to ignore. The compression ring is now pushing deeper toward the Tribune. New facade sections are preparing for ceramic lamellas, and several diamond structures are entering major new construction phases. With activity accelerating across multiple areas of the stadium, today's update reveals some of the most important progress yet. Starting at the south goal, the support structure for the ceramic lamellas is now almost complete across this section. Supports have been installed at the upper, middle, and lower levels, with only a few remaining. Once the final anchors are added, this area will be ready for the next stage of facade installation. Scaffolding is still visible across several interior sections, where workers continue with ongoing construction. The exterior sandwich panels are expected to follow as preparation advances, while lifting platforms remain active around the second overhang above. Further along the south goal, a large number of ceramic lamellas are now positioned beside the mobility cores. The supporting structure is largely prepared, bringing this section closer to one of the next major facade installation phases. Once installation begins, these lamellas will start covering the mobility core structures and their sandwich panel facades. Some beams still require finishing work, but the area is clearly being prepared for the next visible transformation. At one of the lateral side diamond structures, reinforced sections are now enclosed within formwork, particularly around the corners where additional reinforcement creates a more pillar-like configuration. The smaller diamond nearby is showing much stronger progress. Its upper structure is now almost completely covered with floor formwork panels. Behind the diamond structures, workers are continuing with the precise alignment of the anchors connected to the mobility cores. Suspended guides are being used to position the components accurately before the next stages of facade work. Inside these areas, teams are also carrying out inspection and finishing operations. Several beams are receiving a white protective coating, while other sections remain under preparation for their sandwich panels and future facade installation. Across the lateral side, 2 diamond structures have now reached an advanced stage of their concrete work. The main structures are largely complete, with only sections of formwork still remaining to be removed. Workers and lifting platforms continue operating across the upper levels. Once the remaining panels are stripped away, the completed concrete structures will become fully visible and ready for their next finishing stages. At the north goal, additional ceramic lamellas remain stacked and ready for future installation across the unfinished sections. These panels are positioned for the remaining gaps in the middle areas and other parts of the facade. Some of the recently installed lamellas still retain their protective plastic, while older sections have already been uncovered. Although activity is quieter here, the materials already in place show that more facade work is still ahead. The corner continues to show some of the clearest facade progress. After the first ceramic lamellas were installed, the coverage has now expanded further across the structure, leaving only a small gap in the current section. A new delivery of lamellas has also arrived for the lower part of the inclined false ceiling. Much of the support system is already in place, while additional anchors and a few remaining supports still need to be installed. At the same time, work continues on the network of tubes running through the corner toward the Tribune. Nearby, mobility cores have also been painted and prepared, bringing them closer to the installation of their sandwich panels. Another diamond near the Tribune is now moving toward the final stages of its current construction phase. Only a relatively small section of the upper wall remains unfinished, while workers continue handling materials and completing the remaining work. After progressing slowly for some time, this structure is now visibly close to completion, with only limited sections still requiring attention. Around the Tribune side, several major compression ring components remain positioned across the construction zone. Steel box segments, support pillars, and other structural elements are ready for the next stages of installation. One mobility core is already largely enclosed with sandwich panels, while finishing work continues across the front sections. Lifting platforms remain active nearby as structural and architectural work continues. Outside the stadium, one of the diamond structures has now entered a new facade phase. The first supports for the future glass installation are visible along the front section, while a new doorway frame has also been installed. Additional finishing work has been completed around the surrounding wall. After a long period of limited visible change, these new elements mark a clear step forward for the structure. The major structural highlight is taking shape above the stadium, where the compression ring continues advancing toward the tribune. The structure is now approaching the height of the tower crane, moving close to another important milestone. The next section is already prepared, with 2 radial beams, their support pillars, and temporary formwork structures in position. The remaining step is now to continue installing the large steel box segments between these completed supports. As the installation sequence gains momentum, the ring could advance rapidly through the remaining sections, pushing the massive roof support structure further around the stadium. Back at the corner, the ceramic lamella support system continues expanding across both the upper and lower sections. A large portion of the framework is already in place, while additional supports and anchors continue to be added. And with that, another look inside the ongoing transformation of Spotify Camp Nou comes to an end. Every new detail is gradually bringing the stadium closer to its final vision, and the changes are becoming more impressive with every update. The journey continues, and there is still much more to come.